I'm sorry. My mom took a video and the memory got full. And I'm going to be reading you again all of I Love Colors. And I'm going to start where I was, so you'll hear the rest of it. So it's kind of far. Sorry if it takes a little bit longer. Now, there's blue. I think I already read that one too. So I'm gonna go to the one more. They turn green. Yellow mixed with blue makes green. It was green. And now I will dip my red tail into blue. What will happen? It turns purple. Red mixed with blue makes purple. Doesn't that look like a pretty dog?
Mm-hmm.
And at the end, I'm going to show you a surprise. 2 surprises. Watch out! Here it comes! Rainbow dog! Ruff, ruff. And that's what it says, a rainbow dog. That's what his name is, my Webkinz. I couldn't find my other one, so I just got rainbow dog. His name. Splash! Rainbow splashes came everywhere. Now I'm me myself again. Me and myself. Maybe I can keep a little bit more rainbow on me so it'll be pretty. And now I have another surprise. Come here, Pepper. This is a surprise. I have another dog.
Another one.
And then there's Belle laying down.
Hi, Bells. Hi, Bells.
Its name is Belle, and this one, that one is a black.
She's sleeping.
That one's sleeping right now, and this one makes a chow. That one.
Goodbye.